I kind of thought that I would start this year off with a video of all the things that I made during the break. And I didn't end up doing anything over the break except looking after myself. I got a little sick. I'm fine now. You know, the usual kind of flare-ups and stuff that I talk about here sometimes on the channel, but it gave me time to reflect. Welcome to 2026. Welcome back to the Jayda InStitches show. Welcome to a fresh new year. We've been making crochet content here on YouTube for 13 years now, so that is a large library of crochet content. It's a lot of Friday videos, it's a lot of Monday live streams, it's a lot of how-tos and comments and interactions and Q&As and just all of it. All of that yarny goodness. 13 years of it. We're heading into our 13th full year. It's a lot. So I took the whole holiday to make myself a little healthier, and I'm still working on that. As a result, I didn't pick up the hooks, and I didn't get my sewing machine going, and I didn't pick up my knitting needles, and for a while I felt really guilty about that, and it got me thinking that I bet you a lot of you feel that way too. If you are exiting 2025 with a pile of works in progress still sitting on your desk that you didn't get to, and if you are starting into a new year and you had some resolutions and we're already a weekend and some of them have already fizzled, I would just like you to do this. It's 2026. You're still here. We're still here. And there's a whole fresh year still ahead of us. You can resurrect a resolution at any time. You can finish a work in progress by finishing it or flinging it at any time. Despite what they tell you, life is not a race. You can move at your own pace. And that is 2026 for us. I remember the calendar change from 1999 to 2000. I remember where I was that New Year's Eve. I was sick with a cold. I was bundled up, sitting with friends on a roof, watching fireworks explode over the ocean. It was magical. It was memorable. And it was 26 years ago. I was crocheting back then, and I'm still crocheting now. And if I look at my life in a case of decades as opposed to years, there is a giant arc of self-actualization. I have done a lot of work on me in those 2.5 decades, and I bet a lot of you have too. So if you feel a little crummy coming out of 2025, you feel like you didn't get enough done over the break, you didn't get everything on your list finished, don't look at the last week. Don't even look at the last year. I invite you to look at the last decade and think about everything you've accomplished in the last decade. I bet you it'll blow your mind. I bet you'll be stunned at how far you've come as an individual. And I want you to think like that going forward. Don't look sideways and feel like you're falling behind. Don't look sideways and feel like you're missing out. Move at your own pace. That said, if you're here for calendar blanket information, that's usually revealed in the middle of the month. So that information still to come. Stay tuned. We hope to do some bigger projects this year on the channel, a little differently than we've done in years past. I may require more than 1 week to do all the work on it, and Mr. InStitches may require more than 1 week to do all of his background work on it. So every once in a while, we might not have a Friday video for you. That said, we're not going to leave you hanging. We're not going to leave you wondering what happened to us. We are going to lean heavily on our community tab this year. If you've never visited our community tab and you're a member, hello members, thank you so much for being a member of this channel. That is where we post community or members perks first. So perk information always lands in the community tab. And if you're a subscriber, there's stuff there for you too. And if you're just a passerby, the community tab is where we post information about upcoming videos, live streams, where we might be, ideas, old videos. We react to like upcoming trends or trends that we see kind of in the community or the crochet world at large. People who ask us about particular projects. If we have one, we repost it there. And of course, we post photographs from our community of all the things that they have made using our patterns and our tutorials. And that's also a really neat place to get some inspiration. So if you're coming into 2026 and you feel bad because you have already sort of faltered on your resolutions, or you really don't know what to do for yourself this year, or you just kind of want to ease into a new year and enjoy your little hobby, you're in the right place. We don't want to rush you. We just want to have fun. We want to have fun with yarn. We want to have fun with crochet. We want to have fun in the crafting and creative world in general. And most importantly, we want to do it at our own pace. So don't feel rushed. Don't feel you have to keep up. But if you're curious about what's going on, keep an eye on our community tab. We will try to have regular occurring little video uploads like this, if something's going to take a little longer. But our standard schedule generally applies. We put our videos up on Friday, and frequently we live stream on Monday. Welcome to 2026. A little bit different, a little bit fresh, a little of the old and a little of the new, and hopefully we'll all move forward into a fresh new year together, doing what we enjoy, crafting, being creative, and enjoying each other's company. So thank you all for being here. Welcome back. Welcome to, if you're new, and we will see you all very soon, right here on the Jayda and Stitches Show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, and have a great week. Bye, guys.
Hi, everybody. Mr. InStitches here. Thank you for watching today. Here are some of our other videos you might be interested in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.